Guys, today we're going to evaluation culmination guys. So I'm gonna dress up for today, and we're going to make our event. It's a great event, which is we're gonna make products and we're gonna cook at school and we're gonna sell it in school. So I'm just what do you call that? I'm gonna serve people today. Those who are buying on our booth, we're gonna entertain it, and we're gonna use our ability to encourage people to buy our products. It's our part of our entrepreneurship subject. It's a graded event, and this one is amazing because we are producing our own capitals, 6 of us, among my classmates, and we have our leaders, and they are young, so in this lesson, I'm gonna use this. Yeah, just like in the hotel, guys. You know in the hotel there are a lot of what they call host. They're hosting event, or in the restaurants. Ours is not a restaurant, just only a table, and we have our booth to display our food, our finished product. So of course we need to dress up properly, so the buyers were gonna come when you come, teachers and students. Also, not only we are making, but all of the students among grade 12. Yes. And wait, happened. My shorts is zip. Oh my god, the zip, the shorts. Yeah, I use this one because it's good. Cannot. So just consider it. We are OJT in the hotel. This one is my daughter. It's our outfit for today, and I'm gonna use, since my shoes is broken, you're gonna use this. Must be gonna use this December, but in our Christmas party, but my shoes is broken when I walk long the other day in the going here because of the heavy traffic. So I'll just try this one. We call culmination event, culmination day. Then I make my hair like that. I'll just spray little bit of spray net, so it looks. Yeah, I'm selling food, so must be. It's like OJT, guys. OJT in our school. Not really the one OJT. It's only the first stage, and then after that we're gonna go outside in the office, and we're gonna OJT in person, like assistants in the office, like SSS. We're gonna go SSS office, and we're gonna today as a hello. Goodness. I hope this works. And that's for today's coffee. I'm your host for today. I'm gonna make a wait, I'm gonna take some swab. Well, I like the shoes. It's not pain at all. So it will not mess. I think it's not going. I'm using my old phone. Look, that's my old phone. It looks very original. Original looks. That's nice. Just comb it. Very light. And then just the sunrise because it's blurry. We're now preparing ourselves to make our own business. Actually, I have already experienced, but I love to enhance my experience. I just let the kids, they are making it. I just cooperate by giving them some materials. They are needing some frying pan, I bring it, and then the gallon for our drinks I bring also, and then what else I bring. So just cooperate them, or just let them. Yes, looks like in the hotel ladies in the serving area. In the restaurant in the hotel, I've been there before. I saw them. They are dressing very nice, very neat, and then they are, of course, they are welcoming the guests and ask them what they want, something like that. I hope our food will finish fast. Lord, help me, Lord. Help us, Lord. All the students will buy and all the teachers will buy. We are selling street foods. Street foods. What the kids like, street foods. I just let them what they want. They are the one preparing it. They're the one buy it in the market. So that's for today's video. Going to culmination event. So that is my outfit. That is my face reveal. Simple only. Bye. Thank you. Have a nice day, everyone. Bye bye.